How's it going everyone, Laser here, and today we'll be unboxing the Asus RTX 3060 Ti TUF gaming graphics card. The card has 80GB of GDDR6 memory, it's an OC version, which means it has been factory overclocked, and of course subtle RGB effect which you can control with Asus Aura Sync software. By the way, this is the LHR version, so light hash rate, which supposedly it makes it more appealing to miners, to Bitcoin miners, Ethereum miners, just generally cryptocurrency miners. But as we all know, they already managed to overcome that limitation. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing. A very nice golden logo from Asus here. I really like it. And here's the GPU. We have some protective covers here. Let's take this out of the way. So you can already see you only get the GPU. Where is the instruction manuals and so on? Let's see if there's anything else inside. Oh yeah, here it is. So here is the setup. The warranty card. What's this? Collectible card. I think all Asus cards get like a collectible card. Certificate of reliability. Yeah. Thank you pamphlet, instruction manual, everything. As usual. The collectible card is quite funny. Still don't understand how anyone would be collecting cards from GPUs, but maybe there are people who really like it. Okay, so let's get the box out of the way. Just going to close it. And here is the GPU itself. I'm going to open it and show you how it looks like. There we have it. So the GPU is quite big. It has triple fan cooling design. It's very similar to RTX 3080, 3070 Strix versions. Obviously it's a bit less premium, I guess, that's what you can call it. As you can see, we have some protective foils over here. We have some, I think this is metal, it looks like metal. So the case over here at the top seems to be made entirely out of metal, which is really nice because it gives you that additional rigidness, stiffness to the card. And triple fans, TUF gaming branding here. We have the RGB stripe over here. Hope you can see this. I'm looking if there is an OC quiet switch like with the Strix, but it seems there is not there is performance and quiet mode switch as well. So just as with the Strix version that you can see on my channel in the other video. We have the capacitors that are exposed here, quite a lot of them, a lot of holes in the back, but the back is also made, it seems it's made of metal. Yeah, it's cold to touch. Gets that ringing sound when you punch it, so it's definitely metal, which also again helps with the stiffness of the card, means the card should not sag when you plug it to your PC. This is the cooler, quite massive, which promises that the card will hold good temperatures, which is really nice. Low temperatures are always nice because it keeps the overall temperatures in your case really low, and the card should stay quiet most of the time. We have the PCIe slot here covered with a protective cover. And what about the ports? Well, we have 3 display ports and 2 HDMI ports, which is great. Same configuration as with the Strix version of this card. So 2 HDMI ports over here, 3 display ports over here, stainless steel 304, it's just the same as we saw on the Strix version of 3050. And yeah, the card is pretty heavy. It's pretty large as well. It won't fit a very space optimized cases, so be wary of that. Check the length of the card, check the accepted length of your case if you're planning to buy this card, not to be disappointed. The overall build quality seems really good. The card is very stiff, very heavy, probably just as heavy as the Strix version. There's much more metal elements from what I see here. Maybe these elements here are plastic, but that's fine. And yeah, it makes very good first impression. Remember to take off all the protective foils before you plug it in. You don't want the foils to bake into your card. I'll be testing the card over the next couple of days and I will share the results on my channel. So if this is something you want to see, be sure to subscribe so you will be notified when the review is up. And for today, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Laser and I'll see you soon.